2026 Indian Scout Bobber in Midnight Crimson is a shadow of power wrapped in deep burning elegance. Some colors whisper mystery. Midnight Crimson speaks with passion and authority in every glance. With a low aggressive stance and bold lines, the Scout Bobber demands respect on any street. A deep red that glows like embers in the night, capturing light and turning it into a lure. Blacked out engine parts and dark accents create the perfect contrast to its rich crimson body. And 1133cc liquid-cooled V-twin delivers instant torque and exhilarating acceleration every ride. Engineered for stability and control, it glides through corners and commands the highway. LED lighting, digital instruments, and precision fuel injection blend innovation with tradition. A sculpted solo seat and forward controls keep you comfortable for both short trips and lawn adventures. Every curve, every bolt, and every finish reflects Indian's unmatched craftsmanship and durability. With premium design and performance, it delivers value worthy of its legendary name. For riders who want bold elegance and raw power in one unforgettable package. To own one is to embrace individuality, heritage, and the spirit of pure riding freedom. If Midnight Crimson has captured your soul, like this video, subscribe, and share your dream ride. Ride with passion, ride with pride. The 2026 Indian Scout Bobber Midnight Crimson awaits you.